Hey guys, and since I've got my camera charger back, I can continue my auto assembly video production documentary thingy, which, you know, some people seem to be liking, though it is incredibly long. So, you know, again, the list is here with revisions in as I've been going through the video and checking footage and whatnot. So we'll start off with the music video, right? So straight after the music video, we got good old Dean from the Transformers Collector Club introducing people. However, excuse me, the footage from where I am in front of me was Autobot Blur, who you can find on the tube, and someone sitting next to him, and the top of his head is always visible. So if you just see this little kind of mound of flesh, it's his head, and I was desperately trying to, you know, peer the camera over the top of his head, but it didn't work too well. So the reason footage will cut in clip is because my arms were getting tired having to hold the camera as I throw paper on the floor, having to hold the camera steady, tilting my neck back and aiming it so it didn't get head in the way. So that is the footage. I thought I should explain it to you. So after Dean's, well, no, we'll start off with Dean's intro and the introduction of the committee members who helped put together the auto assembly experience.
It's working, right. Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Auto Assembly 2009. Roar, please. There we go. Everything's spiced up in here. I'm going to introduce myself first. Some of you know me, some of you don't. I'm Dean Otron from most of the boards, Big D's Toy Chest, Collectors Club. You know I'm doing it today, but welcome everyone. I'll do a little introduction. I've done all that. We're gathered here today to celebrate this joyous occasion of 25 years of Transformers, everyone's favourite plastic crack. Can I hear a roar? Thank you very much. I want to get the team up here because it's been a really, really big year this year. Things have happened, we've got a new team together, so without further ado, let's get the new team up here. Firstly, introduce Simon, but Simon can't join us because he's very, very busy. Give us a wave, Simon. Where are you? He's around somewhere. Trish, give us a wave, where are you? There she is, hello Trish. Hannah, give us a wave, hello. I'd like to introduce the promotions guy that's publicising everything. Edwards! Come on down! Round of applause, come on, don't be shy. There we go. You're a stroke. Lovely. Alright, just if you want to say a few words, Will, please do.
Not especially, just a big hello to everyone who's come this year. I think we're dead set record-breaking numbers this year. We are, so thanks a lot to everybody. We had some on-the-door sales today. Yeah, on the door, people, I love you, like, from the bottom of everything. Thanks a lot, everybody.
Well done, guys, well done.
Okay, you may be thinking, there's more than one committee member. And you're right, because I thought I should introduce this special someone, because, you know, he really sold it when he came up on the stage. So, let's have a look at committee member number 2. But he's really number 1. But realistically, he's number 2.
Right, enough of silent behind the scenes guy, David Wallace, come on down!
Greetings, people of Auto Assembly, I am Kyle Prime, and I'm coming before you today at this convention, let's hear it! I'm the baby of the group, apparently, because I just started doing this as a, sort of, just to help Simon out, and just thanks to him for making me a committee member, it's awesome!
Cheers. Mark, where's Mark Brady? Get on down here! Come on, round of applause, keep going.
Guys, just want to say thank you for everyone who's made the effort coming down for the whole weekend, for the guys who've come down for the weekend, for Saturday and for tomorrow as well. Just thanks for making it a record-breaking event and making it a good time for us to just continue enjoying the day and have fun.
So that's right, Dave, committee member, on stage, selling it for all he's worth, which is brilliant. It was good to see. Made people around me laugh who were part of the Moonbase 2. I'm sure people who weren't part of the Moonbase 2 were like, who the F's this guy? He's weird. But I thought that was good. The next guy up was Mark, Mighty Mark, who worked tirelessly all throughout that convention and was kind enough to let us use his bed at one point. So for sleeping, before you go, ha ha ha, yeah, ha 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 ha, stuff like that. So yes, thank you, Mark. I didn't get many more of the committee members because, like I said, the shot wasn't great and my arms were getting tired. Then Dean comes back on after the committee members and stuff and says, hey, this is our attendee record, and it was really good. I was really surprised. I can't remember directly off the top of my head how many we had at that time. I remember on the second day, I think we hit over 500 by one, so I think it was 501, but I can't remember for sure, so we'll quickly take a look at that because it's not much.
Because we have hit today 497 8. There's been one more, Simon. 498 people have pre-registered attending today, so that's a big cheer for that one. So that's another one right there. Unreal. I think I've done everything. Right, I suppose to wrap things up, I better introduce the guests. This is a big one, isn't it? Guys, you want to bugger off? You've done your part, cool. Get back to work. Go on, back to work.
Okay, so after that little bit, we had the introduction of all the guests as they came down. I was finding out that the angle again. And the people were throwing off the shots. I only got like a couple of them, and I don't want this to sound mean or rude. Don't know why I did that. I wasn't being sarcastic. I don't want to sound mean or rude. But I tried to get the bigger names or the more entertaining people. Like as they were coming down, they were making a bit of a ha ha ha. Look at me. It's quite fun. It's a good laugh. But we get to Simon Williams, the wrestling fanatic himself, and he comes down and he riles the crowd up with awesome music of the past and flips you the bird and stuff. Oh, it's great fun. Swearing at children in the morning. I'm just saying. No, seriously, it was cool, but we'll get on with the clip then, I guess.
We're going to hear some shattered glass right now. This is going to go. Simon Williams! I want to see some finger flipping right now. Yes. There we go. Just need some big hands. Austin himself. I'm actually scared. Please don't stop me.
Hell yeah! Give me a hell yeah!
Hell yeah!
My name's Simon Williams, and I'm a...
What?
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 If you're all enjoying auto assembly, give me another hell yeah!
Hell yeah!
Right, they've let me out today just for the weekend, providing I'm good. I'm an artist who has worked on Transformers and Marvel UK, and it's great to be here this weekend. Thank you.
Cheers, buddy.
So, with Simon done, the next clip I've got for you is Mr. Nick Roche himself, IDW artist extraordinaire, as I do the hands. G-Wolf's favoured artist of that day and every other day. I'll talk more about Nick and G-Wolf, because it's a collaborative thing a little bit later on, but watch him come down. It's good. He's a good lad. Good old Nick.
That's my stripper music.
Stripper music.
Later on. Nice to be here, nice to finally get to an assembly. I've always wanted to come as a punter, and it's great to be here on that side of the table. See you guys over the weekend, and support Toy Foo. They give money to charity and all that sort of stuff when you buy toys. Alright, thanks, bye.
Thank you very much. That is our comic book artist and guests, everyone.
Okay, now this is where I was getting a little bit bored and my hand, like I said, was getting a bit tired. So I was like, oh, let's mix up the shots with a swooshing of the camera and stuff for no reason at all but my own personal entertainment. So if the camera goes weird and kind of tilts upwards, I'm meaning to do that. It's not like I'm going and sneezing and it's going up. I'm doing that to entertain myself at the time. So, next up is the great and, sorry, I should say the one and only Ian James Collette, voice of Cheeto, Beast Machines Cheeto, Transmetal Cheeto, you know Cheeto. Great guy. So, he was filming us, we were filming him. Quite strange. Let's get on with the clip.
Well, that actually works, isn't it? Right, I'm not going to hang around. These guys don't need an introduction, really. We know who they are. We all love them. It's Ian James Collette, everyone! Wave for...
Greetings from Canada. I'm happy to be the ambassador of the voice cast of Beast Wars and Beast Machines, and looking forward to meeting each and every one of you.
Ian James Collette.
And now the final guest to make his way into the ring, Simon Williams would probably want it to be, the great Greg Berger himself. But first we have a little story from Dino and his friend, and then Greg comes down and it's like, dude, it's Greg Berger, great guy, he's awesome. So, let's get on with the clip of the great one. Greg Berger, not The Rock. He wasn't.
I love this guy next. I'm going to tell a little story actually on this because I've never seen this happen before. I was walking down the street yesterday with my young friend Boris, wherever he is. Yeah, yesterday Boris and me, we were walking down to the hotel to check in, and I was walking across, I see Greg Berger around talking to me up. And he sort of points in there. I was like, hey, how you doing, man? Hey, you enjoying staying in the UK? I was like, yeah, everything's really cool, man. We've been here, we've been there, going down to Liverpool and all that sort of stuff. And then Boris comes running up and going, do the voice, do the voice, do the voice, do the voice! Hold on, mate, what are you doing? You can't do that. Do the voice, do the voice, do the voice, do the voice! And Greg's like, yeah, man, and there he is, look. Going bright red with a Big D's t-shirt on. Crazy, he was like a little fanboy. He was like, do the voice, do the voice! And Greg, I would say reluctantly, but he did. He was like, yeah, me Grimlock, me king. So, there we go. Let's get the king out here. Greg Berger, everyone!
Me Grimlock, me Dinobot leader. Me king. But Simon Plum and all of the staff and crew of this event are the emperors and the movers of great things. If you had been in this room at this time yesterday, you wouldn't believe it compared to what's going on now. These are people who care. These are people who know that you care. Please know that I care. We care, and please come and visit. The whole idea is, as many of you have expressed,
is that you're here to say thank you. Please know that we're also here to say thank you. This happens one viewer at a time, one loyal, devoted fan at a time, and I don't take it lightly, and I'm so flattered to be here. It afforded me and my son and daughter on this trip a chance to see everything from Liverpool to London, and it's been a fantastic time, and this is going to be a fantastic weekend. Keep it up, keep the energy up. Find a way to get through the weekend. There's a million surprises coming. Love it all. Since I last saw some of you at BotCon, I finished a book which is read by me. It's autobiographical. Please ask about that at the table. Talk to everybody. These are artists of note and great reputation, and we look forward to spending time with everyone here. Take care, be well.
And then something special happened, something which I didn't see coming at all, like, it blew me mind. I won't spoil it for you, but people who was at AA, and no doubt have seen countless other videos, know what it's coming, but it's like, dude! Ah! Oh, it was awesome. I'll shut up and we'll get on with the clip, because it's great. Great!
Alright, so this is going out to Birmingham, man. Hey, it's Scott McNeil from Canada. Go figure.
Oh, just wanted to say hello to all people in our assembly. Would love to come see you someday. Make my voice make you happy at last. One more crack like that insect, and I will take you down the old-fashioned way. Kelly!
I would like to see you try it there, Dino Boob. I was kidding about the Dino Boob. Oh, man, we're all gonna die. Alright, stand back and let me, Super Bowl, handle this. For I am strong, proud, brave, and, well, smart like a sack of hammers. That's my bit. So, Birmingham, rock on. I hope to see you guys soon.
Peace out, team love, bye.
How cool is that?
That's right, guys. Scott McFuggin-Neil, the great one himself. I've said great one quite a few times already, haven't I? But seriously, Scott McNeil, billions, trillions of voices he's done throughout anime, throughout Transformers, throughout so many animated series. It's unbelievable. And games, I think, as well. So the fact that he did a special message is really cool. And thank you, Ian James Collette, for bringing that down. I was told it was you that brought it down, so thank you for doing that, because it made the event like really special, and it was great. I couldn't believe it. My brain exploded all over the screen. It was awesome. So without further gushing, I'll check my list, see what. Oh yes. So after that bout of epicness and the start of the convention over with, I went on my shopping spree. Day one, of course. Day two had another spree of sorts. So I went round, bought stuff. At the end of the video, or maybe the next video, depending how long this is, you'll get to see my haul, because I thought, well, I'll put that at the end of the video, then you can see what I've got. Excuse me. Even though I'm missing some of the stuff. Doesn't matter. So after the shopping, again, going off memory alone and notepad, we went to Ravager's custom class, or Mark's custom class. However, the event had already gone about 5 minutes? No, 5 to half an hour behind schedule, so we were running short, and Mark decided to throw himself on the sword and give up his slot for the Moonbase 2 meetup. I'm not sure if I have any footage of the Moonbase 2 meetup, but I do have some shots of Ravager's awesome customs, which was great. They were really good. I remember talking to Mark beforehand and him being like, oh, you may not like my customs in person. Dude, they were awesome! Like the little wheeljack. Dude, ooh, you good person of making stuff. I hate you. Anyway, we'll check out that now before I waffle on anymore.
Ravager's custom. I would have taught you to use Sun 3 or Sideswipe for wheeljack.
By the way, strike my ego one more time. I told them where Moonbase 2 was. There we go.
Yeah.
Yada yada yada. Hey, Mark can back me up on that quote. There you go. The great man, Rabbit.
So after the long Moonbase 2 meetup and cake, which was my first and only meal of the day until much later on, I met up with Jamie, I want to say his name's Magic Man something on YouTube, but I've got to say sorry Jamie if that's not true. I met up with Jamie, great lad, his brother's cool as well. He showed me what he'd bought and said, hey, I'm a fan of yours from YouTube, and I was like, really? Why? He was like, because your videos are good, and I was like, really? Why? So he showed me what he got, and he had this awesome little piece of Japanese history, which he got for a bargain price of £100, and I told him, dude, you got a deal. So we'll have a quick look at that, okay? Here we go. If you just want to introduce yourself to YouTube, mate? Well, you're going to be on the video, but look at this. This is beautiful, man. Oh, it's delicious. Let's have a quick look at the quick accessories as well. That is crazy. Who would have thought this for 100 quid? You got a deal as you throw it on the floor?
Do you not want to do that now?
No. So you're happy with your purchase?
More than happy.
There you go.
Okay. Who's complaining?
Okay, so as usual, I think it's Transformers at the Moon, or something like that. Is always there to show off the Lucky Draw stuff. And again, they had a hell of a lot of Lucky Draw stuff. And then there was some that was like, it looks a bit poo. Actually, two specific ones that look really poo. And then another 3 or 4 that were like really awesome to look at. So, Lucky Draw items. Let's go. Most disgusting looking toy ever.
Back to the beginning?
No.